Google the meaning of your name and post it. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this Instagram trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and then here we have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from my page we have to go to trending at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few days, so it's better to go here. And here you will only find viral stickers. You can check these two if you want. So once you are here, you just have to click until you find the desired sticker. So there we have it. Google the meaning of your name and post it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on this button, then you can go ahead and check the first in comment, where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. So yeah, once you are here, you can go to Google and Google your name. You can type in Gabriel meaning, and you have to screenshot the first page. So go to upload and add your screenshot. So this is my screenshot. I just went to Google and typed in Alina meaning, and I screenshot what they said on Wikipedia. So yeah, from here you can make your sticker bigger or smaller and place it where you want. And once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it. So click on the Your Story button from the left bottom corner. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.